In this video, we're talking all about unfinished work by a contractor and what you can do when your home project suddenly hits a pause nobody asked for. So, let's get into it. First off, if your contractor leaves a job hanging, don't just sit there stressing. Start by checking your contract to see what it says about timelines and unfinished work. That's your legal safety net right there. Next, keep all your communication in writing. Texts, emails, anything, because you never know when you might need proof. It's smart to stay calm but firm when reaching out to the contractor. Ask what's causing the delay and when they plan to finish. If they ghost you or give vague answers, don't hesitate to send a formal letter requesting completion. You can also explore mediation or small claims court if things get messy, but usually, clear communication can fix most issues. Meanwhile, think about hiring a different pro to finish the job if the original contractor is totally unresponsive. Just be sure to check reviews and licenses before signing anything new. At the end of the day, staying organized and proactive is key so your project doesn't turn into a permanent headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with unfinished contractor work is waiting too long to act. That only gives the contractor more time to dodge responsibility. Another common blunder is not having a detailed contract with deadlines and penalties for delays, which makes it harder to hold someone accountable. Also, folks sometimes forget to document everything, so when disputes arise, they have no solid proof to back up their claims. The fix? Get everything in writing from the start, set clear expectations, and keep track of all conversations and payments. Don't hesitate to push for updates regularly. Staying on top of things keeps you in control. If you feel overwhelmed, bring in a third party like a home inspector or legal advisor to evaluate the situation. Trust me, being proactive saves you loads of stress and money later. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously clutch when you're stuck dealing with unfinished work or just need a trusted pro for your next project. They connect homeowners with reliable local contractors who actually get the job done and help contractors find steady work without the usual hassle.